This video will show you how to align a multi-air actuator to cylinder valve stem on a 2.4 multi-air engine. Verify that the two variable valve actuation assembly locating pins are installed in the cylinder head. If necessary, install new ones. Install a new multi-air actuator gasket. Caution: do not invert the variable valve actuation assembly when it is removed from the engine. Oil will drain from the assembly and excessive engine cranking will be required to refill the assembly and start the engine. Next, rotate the spring compressors counterclockwise until the springs are fully seated. Apply a liberal amount of white petroleum jelly to the plunger tips to hold them in the retracted position. Set the assembly into position onto the two locating pins. It is very important that the plungers are centered over the valve stem tips. When properly aligned, the assembly will set down onto the cylinder head evenly and will not have a tendency to wobble. Visually inspect the alignment of the plungers. This is a visual indication of an improperly aligned assembly. The center line of the plunger and the center line of the valve stem are misaligned. This is a visual indication of a properly aligned assembly. The center line of both the plunger and the valve stem are aligned. Now complete the installation procedure as directed in the service procedure and test the vehicle.